Hello live wires, Heather Boy Wire here, and welcome to day 6 of the 10-day wire charm bracelet making challenge. Be sure to join the Facebook event page linked up below. You can share photos of your charm bracelet and charms to be eligible to win great prizes, including wire and tools from Beadalon, items from my Etsy shop, and templates and patterns for wire art and jewelry. You only need to make one charm per day, and at the end of the 10 days, you'll have a couple of extra days to finish up the whole bracelet. Today we are making charms with beverages. What you're going to need for this project is 20 gauge wire, your tools, and some small beads. We will start with the coffee cup. I'm going to take 4 to 5 inches of 20 gauge wire and bend it at an angle and curve it around for the bottom of the cup. And then we're going to bend the wire straight up and get our round pliers to curve around the handle. So just curve it down and then up again to form a very simple handle. And then we'll get our tweezer nose pliers again and bend it out at an angle. Curve it around for the top of the cup and bend it at the other side. Give it a push with your thumb and curve it around to give the impression that it's three-dimensional. And then bend it across towards the center. And then we're going to bend it straight up in the center. And now we'll go to the other side and bend the wire towards the center, grab the end and twist it around to secure it in place. Now clip the end with your flush cutters, pinch it in so it's not pokey, and then we're going to bend the top wire at an angle. Get your round pliers, curve it around, and then back. We're going to form the steam. I'm just using my very small stainless steel round nose pliers. All my tools are linked up in the description. So bend it back and forth and then up and around to form a loop. So from there we'll cut it flush, pinch it closed, and there's our very simple coffee cup. For the wine glass, we're going to get the 20 gauge wire again, start at the bottom to form the base, so bend it at an angle and then straight up, flip it around and then bend the other side of the base at an angle and then straight up. Pinch it down a bit. Now hold the two wires together and we are going to spread the wires apart just on an angle, and then get your round pliers and bend the wire up. Do the same on the other side. So we have this starting point, and then get the tweezer nose pliers to bend it across the top of the glass. Give it a nice sharp bend, and then tweezer nose pliers to bend it straight down. Now I'm going to put on 2 seed beads in a purple color, and then hold the beads with my thumb and finger and bend the wire around and straight up. So that'll secure the beads in place. Tweezer nose pliers again, bend the wire straight across the top of the glass and straight up at the center. Bend the other side, hold it securely and twist the end around. Now you're going to clip that end, pinch in the pokey end. You can cut this to about 1/2 inch. Get your round pliers, bend it back and around to form the loop at the top. Get it secure, pinch it in with the flat pliers, any adjustments you can do now, and there's your wine glass. So for the Martini glass, we're going to start in the same manner with the 20 gauge wire, bend it across at an angle and straight up, flip it, and do the same on the other side, bend it across, and then straight up. So we have the base of the glass. Now hold the two wires together with your flat pliers and bend the wires at an angle to form the bottom of the glass. So straight out, and we're going to make a more triangular shape, so bend it straight across, and then hold it with your tweezer nose pliers and bend the wire down on an angle parallel to the side of the glass. And then take the end and bend it back on itself. Put on a bead. It's going to sit right in there. So now we're going to bend the top of the glass. Just bend it across with the tweezer nose pliers. Take the end, hold the wire securely in place, and then bring that wire around. So cut it with the flush cutters, push in any pokey ends. And then now we're going to form a little loop a little above so it resembles a swizzle stick. So we're going to form a loop, hold it with the flat pliers, and bring the wire around. So once you're twisted around, we're going to cut it with the flat pliers, pinch it in so it's not pokey. And there's the Martini glass with the olive. So for the jump rings, you can make your own. Just get some scraps of 18 gauge wire, make the loops, and cut the ends flush. I'll link up another tutorial for jump rings in the description below the video. Open it up, and I will link up the tutorials for the charm bracelets in the description below. And there you have your fun beverage charms. So thanks so much for watching the video. Thank you to everybody who is participating in the challenge. If you are watching this after the challenge is over, you can still join the Facebook event page, and you can join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and jewelry. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.